Bitcoin and cybersecurity are closely intertwined, with the decentralized nature of Bitcoin and the increasing adoption of digital currencies presenting both opportunities and challenges for cybersecurity professionals. Here are some emerging threats in the intersection of Bitcoin and cybersecurity. 1. Phishing and scams. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails, websites, and social engineering tactics to trick Bitcoin users into revealing their private keys, seed phrases, or login credentials. These phishing attacks can lead to unauthorized access to Bitcoin wallets and theft of funds. Additionally, there are various Bitcoin-related scams, such as fake ICOs, Ponzi schemes, and investment scams, targeting unsuspecting investors. 2. Malware and ransomware. Malicious software, including ransomware, keyloggers, and remote access Trojans, RATs, pose a significant threat to Bitcoin users and exchanges. Malware can infect computers and mobile devices, steal Bitcoin wallet data, and hijack cryptocurrency transactions. Ransomware attacks, in particular, target individuals and organizations, encrypting their data and demanding Bitcoin payments for decryption keys. 3. Insider threats. Insider threats, including disgruntled employees, careless insiders, and malicious insiders, can compromise the security of Bitcoin exchanges, wallets, and platforms. Insider threats may involve theft of Bitcoin funds, unauthorized access to sensitive data, or sabotage of cryptocurrency infrastructure. Implementing robust access controls, monitoring systems, and employee training programs is essential to mitigate insider threats. 4. Supply chain attacks. Supply chain attacks target third-party vendors, software suppliers, and service providers within the Bitcoin ecosystem, aiming to compromise their systems and gain unauthorized access to Bitcoin wallets or infrastructure. Attackers may exploit vulnerabilities in software dependencies, hardware components, or cloud services used by Bitcoin exchanges and wallet providers, posing a risk to the security of user funds. 5. Exchange hacks and theft. Bitcoin exchanges and trading platforms are prime targets for cyber attacks due to the large amounts of Bitcoin funds they hold. Exchange hacks, security breaches, and insider theft incidents have resulted in significant losses of Bitcoin and other digital assets for users and investors. Improving security measures, implementing multi-signature wallets, and conducting regular security audits are crucial for protecting exchange assets. 6. Bitcoin vulnerabilities. While the Bitcoin blockchain itself is secure and resistant to tampering, vulnerabilities in the underlying protocol, consensus mechanism, or cryptographic algorithms could potentially be exploited by attackers. Vulnerabilities such as transaction malleability, double spending attacks, and consensus protocol weaknesses pose risks to the integrity and security of the Bitcoin network. 7. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance requirements, including anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC regulations, pose challenges for Bitcoin businesses and Bitcoin exchanges. Compliance with regulatory requirements, such as customer due diligence, transaction monitoring, and reporting obligations, is essential to prevent illicit activities, financial crimes, and regulatory penalties. To address these emerging threats, Bitcoin users, exchanges, and businesses must prioritize cybersecurity measures, including implementing strong authentication mechanisms, using hardware wallets, encrypting sensitive data, conducting security assessments, and staying informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. Collaborative efforts between industry stakeholders, government agencies, and cybersecurity experts are essential to enhance the security and resilience of the Bitcoin ecosystem against evolving cyber threats.